up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see today, I am not in the car or in the garage, but I'm in the bus. And that can mean only one thing. We are taking delivery of the Ducati. I'm so pumped. My stop is just coming up. We're gonna reach there soon, but before that, I do need to hit the stop bell. Oof. Bus rides are always so intense. You need to wait for it for such a long time. They're gonna stop in every single stop. But yeah, we're about to reach Tencent Garage. But before that, I need to show you guys this. Check this out. Old school Japanese bikes. So guys, stay tuned. There is a whole separate video coming on just the Japanese bikes. There was one event that I had seen a couple of days ago. That's gonna come up really soon. But yes, arriving for the Ducati. Time to reveal it. Hopefully it's all done. Oh, there it is. Baby's getting washed up. It looks like there's a couple of more things that still needs to be done. We need to still change the front fork assembly for the tires. We're missing the mirrors. It's not legal in Hong Kong to ride without even at least one mirror. And we need to straighten this out right here. But pretty much otherwise, looks like everything is done. We still have to finish the mirror. We need to finish the fork. And that's all. And maybe change the tires.
Yeah, of course. It's hotter.
Yeah, the tire is like so old.
Yeah.
The threads are like drying out here. You can see the thickness of the thread.
It's not like this. It's like this right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it needs to be a bit more curved, right?
Yeah.
It's more straight angled right now because of all the corners that I take. So you can see there's a small line in the middle showing that it is flat over there and it's just flat out on the other side. So we need to be changing the tires. So that's coming up next, but I really need the bike. I want to take it back because on a daily basis, I'm waiting for buses and it's getting really bit of a pain. So I really want to get the bike back so that I can start using it, and possibly we'll order the parts and come in the next week and fit that. But I'm waiting for the bike to get cleaned up. We're going to pull it out into the sun, do a deeper dive into it and see how everything turned out. Bike is getting fixed up. In the meantime, some classics passing by, and we're headed down to Kia. It's called the EV6.
Where is your mask?
My mask is in my pocket.
Okay.
Should I wear it in the car?
Huh?
No need in the car, no?
No. I just afraid you go to the mall, you don't have a mask.
Yeah, that's okay. I have it in my pocket. So you're ordering the EV6, huh?
Yeah.
EV6 electric. It looks like an Aston Martin, guys. Like the outer shell, it looks a little bit like an Aston Martin. But yes, we're gonna go check it out now. My man Andrew's got me to a really cool place. This is one of Hong Kong's auto malls. I don't think I've ever brought you guys down here. Temperature check. Okay. Check this out, guys. Sick cars till your eyes can see. This is madness. They're all used cars, but the best of everything. Check this out. What a beauty. You got a 458 right there. Got a nice 6. F-Type. Carrera 4. And they're all at a sick cost too. Top end cost. But the options that you have here are plenty. So it's basically like you can get anything inside, from daily use cars to exotics to luxury. Look at this Wraith. What a beauty. And it is just 4.8 million. That is it. Beautiful Wraith. Killer spec. Andrew, buy this, huh?
No.
Yeah, always. F8. Oh, it is F8, it's not 458. Oh, it's the first time I'm seeing an F8 Bureau. Beautiful. Again, 4.4 million, 4.8 million. I'd rather pay the 4.4 million and get this. I did want to bring you guys here before, but I didn't get around to doing it. We'll do a whole separate video on this. But before we go away, I need to show you guys this. This beautiful papaya orange, papaya yellow, papaya orange 720S Spider. What a spec, what a color. The interiors, even more beautiful. The back end, man, that's fire. The exhaust outlets are beautiful. And the aero on this car is just out of the world. Love it. And right next to it, we have a C8. What? We have American supercar in Hong Kong. That's what's up. We have a Corvette C8, and this is probably one of the very few in Hong Kong. I haven't seen one yet in Hong Kong. Even the Supra, for that fact, the new Supra, haven't seen it in Hong Kong. Maybe one or two. It's probably a test drive car, but it's still getting out in the market slowly. Hong Kong crowd loves their Western exotics more than the Japanese exotics. Just like this right here. A classic Ferrari. Beautiful color. Beautiful all black interior. The 458 is like one of the most common Ferraris in Hong Kong. Very, very easily spottable. And we have one more right here. A white one with red guts. The interiors are a beauty. So this is a GT3 and this is a Spider. So we'll do a whole separate video for this, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do smash the subscribe button, don't forget. And if you like these, smash the like button too, so that I know and I can make more content around this. So we're heading down to Kia. Yeah. We're going to Kia, and we ran into a anime con. So it's like Comic Con for anime stuff. And everyone is loving it. Mad parties going on. People buying Teslas. So Tesla is like one of the most common cars in Hong Kong. It's either a Tesla or a Porsche if you want to go for the big boys. Kia, it's a bit more uncommon, but it is growing. So I'm excited to look at the EV6. That's right, I think I'm correct, EV6. Let's go check out how it looks. Now this is the Kia EV6. It's got a nice satin gray on it. It's a beautiful color. All electric. Let's check out inside. Oh, it's too tight. Alright. Move the seats. And there we go. Nice and comfy. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Not bad. The interior's pretty decent. I always like this armrest right here. Having the armrest here is so comfortable. Friendly reminder, no children in this car. Yes. Electric cars are not for children. Kids, go get fuel-powered cars. Play with them. Learn about them first. Don't jump into electrics immediately. Front dash. I'm really happy that the dash is right here and not like in the Model 3 and the Model Y. That's over here. The cluster, instrument cluster. This is so much better. You're so used to having it right here, you don't want it to move anywhere else. But, yeah. Not bad, huh, Andrew? Very comfortable, lots of leg room. Front and back, huh? What color are you thinking?
This one.
That's the same as that one, right?
No.
That's not the same one.
That one is. That is.
Oh, okay, this is more black. Satin black?
More shine.
Okay, more metallic black.
Yeah, more bright.
Okay.
Easily to clean up.
Okay. Guns ablaze. So, Andrew, you took the shot, huh? You ordered the car.
Yeah.
That's it. Now we just have to pick out the color. He needs to go check with his wife. We're all at the mercy of our wives. So, gonna go confirm that. and then come back and order. But the cartoons here are intense. Everyone around dressed up just like a comic. All are blonde, pink, purple hair. There's some sort of exhibition going on, and I don't recognize any one of them. I like comics. I've never been into anime, so I really won't be able to tell. But we get back into the car, go back to the shop, get on with our automotive lives. You know, we work with cars and bikes, not anime and comics. Back at the shop, the bike is ready and revealed. Yeah, baby. Man, the red on this is brilliant. I love this red, and all the main work that needs to be done has been completed. And right now I'm standing in the middle of the road to shoot the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride this bike away. I'm going to take it back home and then go to a little bit more quieter place near the house, and we'll do a full walk around of this. So stay tuned, you guys. For me, it is going to be the next day, but for you guys, it's just going to be. Welcome back, guys. And it's the next day here. It got a little bit too dark for us on the other day, so I had to wait a couple of days because of rain and stuff. But we're back, and let's take a closer look at the Ducati in the bright sun now. So most of the work is done. It's looking so much better already. And the color, again and again, I gotta say, this red is beautiful. I'm in love with this red. Some of the black tones, maybe not, but from what I have changed, I really like it. This does make a difference here, changing the foot pegs to black. Other than that, I didn't change anything else to black. We did remove the bikini cowl and change this up, and one of the best ones. Now I don't get a empty screen. I get the M696 come up. That's cool. Before it was just a blurred image there, but now we have a display. We have a running display. The clutch brakes are beautiful. We got a brand new chain setup right here. So the bike is coming along really well. I think it's 90% there. Just a few changes, few minor changes, just aesthetic changes. The only performance change that I'll have to do is change the front fork liners, the fasteners. I don't know what to call it. So I'll have to change this out on both sides so that it is parallel. Right now it is a little bit tightening towards the end, so I need to make it a little bit parallel. So I need to get a new front rod here. That has to be changed, but other than that, pretty much everything is done. So why don't we go into a quick montage? And the bike also sounds so much better now. It rides better, it sounds better. So let's get on the road, and eventually I'll take you guys on some nice rides in Hong Kong. There are some pretty killer spots in Hong Kong, so you guys will come along. But this is going to be a trial to see what more I need to get so that I can get the best footage for you guys. And I'm working this the best I can. So that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thanks for joining us for the Ducati build. There are plenty more builds coming up. It's a year now, so we're going to be changing up the E46 as well. And I'm excited to share with you the replacement. I think I found it. We're going to be picking it up real soon. So do stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go smash the subscribe button and also smash the like button so that I know that you guys like the content that I'm making. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. So till the next time, peace.